Good morning, everyone. In this video we will go over how to download or how to convert the HCUP NIS files from an extension of .ASCII into SPSS. So to do that, I will assume that you already have access to it and you already bought the database or the datasets from HCUP. And then the next step is to put them in an easy to use software, such as after you unzip them. So I assume that you already unzipped the files, and this is how when you unzip them then they will look like this. For me, I have 2014, so you have the core, severity, hospitality, and the DX, and you already have them. For me, I have this one in text for some reason, which is fine. I did that. So you already unzipped them. Now you want to open those, but you can't open them using text or using Excel or CSV file types of file. Therefore, we need to open them in SAS or SPSS. To do that, this is what I will do. I will go to the HCUP file or the NIS or HCUP website, and then when you go to this particular page, you will see here file specifications and load programs. So for us, we are interested in the SPSS load programs, so you can click on them and then download those guys for year 2014 or whatever year that you have, and then you can go from there. When you download them, then basically you will download them. So this one, when you download them, then they will look like this one. So those are the ones that you will find. So this one has already kind of the code for it, the syntax code. All you need to do is just click on those guys, and let's say, let me open the core, which is a very heavy one. So let me close those guys here from now. So let me open the core. So I'll just double click on it because I already have SPSS loaded in my or installed in my machine. So let's see. Then when it opens directly to this syntax editor, and all we need to do is to change or to add the file location. So in this case, my files, they are all in this location. So what I will do, I'll just double or click on that one and copy this path. So we'll just copy this path here, and then I will add it here right after the apostrophe, and then I'll say paste, and then I will add this guy, the backslash. So that's kind of where I wanted to read it from. So this is, I want to read this file from that folder in that path, and then I will go all the way back until the end where it says here where I want to save it as SPSS file. So again, I will put the path and then backward slash, and then, so this is what I have. And this is a very important step, because if you didn't follow this, it will not work. And then another very important step that most people kind of ignore, or and it doesn't work if you didn't do this step. So this step is, you will need to Control A or select all. So you will need to highlight all the code, and this is very important. This is, if you didn't do this, it will not work. And then you can run. So you can run the selection, and now it will work. As you can see here, I don't have any errors. If you didn't do that selection, you will get some errors, like 105 error or so, and then you will not get any results. So now that's so it worked, the code worked, and it ran. Now to make sure that you got this file in SPSS, you will need to go to the folder or the path where you saved it. So for me, I saved it here, so I called it core. So now it is saved here for me. So now let me close this guy and close. No. Come on. Do you want to proceed? Yes. So it's not okay. I'll just open this core. So let's open the core. Otherwise, what I can do, I can just quit this guy from here. So and task. So now I can just open this guy. So notice this, it is different from the load files. So and it is and it ends with SAV. So let me double click on it. Now I will find and I will see more than 6 million records here in this file. So now I have the variables and coded and data dictionary. So it is done. Now I can see all the data set here, and it has millions of records. So it is still loading, but you got the idea now. I hope this helps, and best of luck to you.